Welcome to my channel, dear friends. Today we will learn CVC sentences. A sound. So, dear friends, let's start. This is a mat. Mac has a bat. This is a cap. This is a cap. Sarah has a bag. Sarah has a bag. This is a cat. Cat had a cat. This is a hat. Lara has a hat. This is a jam. This is a rat. This is a rat. The rat sat on the mat. This is a van. This is a van. The man has a van. Dear friends, repeat after me. This is a fan. This is a fan. Rana has a fan. Rana has a fan. This is a rug. This is a rug. Tina has a rug. Tina has a rug. This is a dam. This is a dam. The man is on dam. The man is on dam. Gab has a big cap. Gab has a big cap. Dan has a map. Dan has a map. Dan ran into man. Sam has a axe. Sam has a axe. The wrestler has a big arm. The wrestler has a big arm. Ram cuts palm tree. Ram cuts palm tree. Lara has a pet. Lara has a pet. This is a tap. This is a tap. The tap is on. The tap is on. The boy is sad. The boy is sad. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Nipa went to play. Nipa went to play. Thanks to all dear friends. Thanks to all.